This is Wade with First Tech. I'm here in the drone bay. I'm gonna do an unboxing for one of the new RFX kits. As many of you already know, all of our two-way remote kits now include a Drone LTE device. So as you can see, first thing you'll notice, the boxes are significantly smaller than our last year's products. So once we open up the box, we've got a couple of things in here. One is this really nice insert that keeps the drone and the two-way remote that's included in place. You'll notice first thing is there's a door jam sticker on this new Drone X1. This is our new Drone X1. There are the diagnostic LEDs on top. We've got connectors here on the side. In addition to that, you get your remote, and then you'll notice this little green keychain tag attached to the remote. It also has the serial number for the consumer in case they need it during registration. In addition to the keychain tag, with as much information as we're trying to provide, you're gonna have inside the box here rear view mirror hanger. There it is. It's hidden away. So this rear view mirror hanger, if you look on the back, it's gonna tell the customer where they can go to register the device. Along with the stickers and the instructions with some diagnostics, we also have a data-to-data cable to connect our drone mobile to a controller. We also have an antenna and thermistor and antenna cable for the two-way remote that's included. It's compatible, or it will work with any drone compatible controller, including ALCA with RS firmware. So hope that we exceed your expectations, and I think you're gonna really enjoy the new X1.